Hi guys, so today I will be teaching you how to draw a realistic eye. So what you'll need is a paper, a pencil, and you'll also need something to smooth your shading out with. So I'm using a paper towel, but you can also use a Q-tip. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to draw an oval, like that, about the size of what you want your eye to be. And then you're going to add kind of curved triangles at the ends of each of them, and then round one of them off so that it looks like that. That will be the base shape of your eye. Up in this corner, you're going to draw a circle. That is your light source. That will come in when we use our shading. So next, you're going to draw a circle for the iris of the eye, the colored part. And it's going to be just above the top of the eye because you can never see the full iris. You can erase that. Now you're going to add a circle for your pupil and an oval closest to your light source. So this is my highlight, and it is closer to my light source than the pupil is. You can shade the pupil in. Next, we're going to add the eyelids. So come up from the corner of the eye and make a little arc that's just a bit above the eye. You're going to repeat that on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the details. So we're going to completely shade in our pupil. And then I'm going to shade the iris. So to shade the iris, I like to use a shading method called hatching. So you start from the pupil and you just draw a line out and repeat that process until you have a nice gradient kind of effect like that. So you see how it's darker up here and lighter out here? You just want to get that nice gradient, and you're going to do it on this side, and then on the other side of the beginning of the iris, you're going to do that same thing so that they kind of meet in the middle. Okay, now that you've gone all the way around, you're going to look where your light source is, and you see the side where it is facing my light source is lighter, and the side that is facing away from my light source is going to be darker. So I want it just a bit darker, so I'm going to kind of just shade it a bit more so that it's darker, like that. So now you can go around and clean up your iris, erase the lines you don't want to be there.
Anyway.
Okay, so I'm just going to make my pupil a bit darker, and my highlight stayed completely white. So now you can take your paper towel and tear off a small piece to kind of wrap up and use it to smooth out your shading just a bit. Not too much, or you'll get a really blurry effect, just enough that it looks neater. Now you see that the graphite got on the paper towel. You're going to use this to shade the rest of the eye. So you're going to just rub it around where the whites of the eye are, because they're not perfectly white. So it would look like that. Now you're going to shade the lids of the eye. So it gets the darkest in the corners of the lids, and it gets lighter as you go up here, and this middle section is going to be the lightest. This section right here is going to be the lightest because it is hitting the light source. So we're just going to make this side a bit darker because it's facing away from the light source, and this side a bit lighter because it's facing towards the light source. Okay, now you're going to get that piece of paper towel again, and you're just going to rub it to smooth out your pencil lines. And before you smooth it out, I would suggest erasing any pencil lines that you don't want showing up through your drawing. And then if you went too heavy on the shading like I did here, you can take your eraser and just erase a small section and then kind of blend it to make a lighter to darker gradient on these lids. So now we're almost done. You're going to add detail here by just adding a U and then shading this in like that. And again, you can use your paper towel to smooth it out. Okay, now we are going to do the lashes. So for the lashes, I do one line going across the whole top of the eye. That's the lash line. So now let's make the lower lash line, making a dark line across, and then you're going to stop here and make a little gap to continue, like that. Erase anything that you don't want to be there, blend it out. Alright, so for the lashes, this part's a bit tricky, but with a few tries, I think you'll get it. So you're going to go from the lash line out for one lash, and you can just go over it to make it a bit darker. And it's basically just a flicking motion with your wrist. So you're basically just going like this to make a swoop, kind of. And notice that near the end corner of the eye, the lashes are longer and thicker. But as they get closer to the center, they start getting shorter and a bit thinner. Once you hit about the center, so about here, you're going to change directions of where the eyelashes are going. So they were going towards the left before, now they are going towards the right because I hit the halfway mark. And they're just going to get shorter and shorter and shorter towards the end. You can always go back in and fill in any gaps that seem a bit thin, so you can make the lashes as full or as thin as you would like. Okay, so now to the bottom lashes. The bottom lashes are a bit more spaced out and shorter. So I'm just going to do this flicking motion for short little lashes, and they get thinner and thinner once they reach the front of the eye. So I just use the lighter pencil marks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.